Smart Wireless was chosen by Major Richard Carney MBE at the award-winning Dallas Burston Polo Club here in Warwickshire. He wanted Smart Wireless to develop and implement an award-winning Wi-Fi solution that would meet its needs for staff, members and visitors across its 600-acre estate.
With various facilities, including a hotel, pavilion, restaurant and event centre, together with outdoor areas such as woodlands and polo pitches, it became apparent that a sophisticated network infrastructure would be required across the 600-acre estate. We then deployed a cloud-managed Cisco network incorporating both indoor and outdoor access points. Additionally, we installed a fibre optic network which supported both door access, CCTV and power-saving features. The network was designed for 1,000 concurrent users, so ample capacity was available during large events.
Smart Wireless surpassed the club's expectation by delivering them an optimal solution. Smart Wireless also has Cisco sustainability credentials, low impact, high efficiency and reuse. To that end, we use TD Synnex as our green partner of choice to assist with our deployment. This comprehensive approach allowed Smart Wireless to deliver the Wi-Fi network that Dallas Burston Polo Club wanted and needed.
Smart Wireless is our preferred IT partner, consistently delivering the right solution for our needs. From the initial quote through to the final installation, their attention to detail and our needs are always understood. We are thrilled to already witness the results with our mailing list doubling, and we estimate some major power usage savings, which can only be good for the club, the customer and the environment.